G'day there, welcome back to the channel. Another cracker of the day here in southern Tasmania, and I thought, well, maybe just get outside and enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine a bit while we've got the opportunity, because it's just amazing for winter time. It's just such a beautiful day. By the way, the young lady you see in the video running around is my lovely daughter, who loves the water so much. And today I'm here at a place called Cremorne, which is a community of holiday makers and surfies, really about 15-20 minutes out of Hobart. And it's just a beautiful place. It started life as a farming community back in the day, and now it's just super popular with surfies. Thank goodness it hasn't been influenced too much by pollution and building and things like that. So it's pretty good. And I also want to cook a couple of on-track meals, which I hadn't tried before. They're really popular here in in Australia. Okay, thanks for joining me. Yeah, today I'm just using a cheap and cheerful Twig stove, which I got a couple of years ago. I probably used 20-30 times and never had a problem with it, considering it only cost a few bucks. I want to buy a firebox stove eventually when this one dies, but got to be careful with it. But it's held up very well. Mini Swedish fire torches, Trangia, just regular fire burns quite a few times, and it's minimal walking really. So these are the meals I'm going to be cooking today. On track meals, very popular here in Australia with boaties, outdoors people. Just going to see what they're like. We've got the tender lamb and pearl barley, chickpea curry, and I usually buy these things. I never get them sent to me or not sponsored by anyone, which would be nice. But these are the meals. Coming to it now, boiling away. Careful. Right, let's give this a shot. So this is your on-track tender lamb and pearl barley. It's tasty. Now I'm trying the chickpea curry. How's everyone been? The waves are a bit loud for my voice because I've got my microphone. Again, there always seems to be something I forget. I was just thinking the other day, it's almost July, it's so close, a few months to Christmas anyway. It's not that far away then. It just seems like yesterday was Christmas, but the older I get, the more time tends to fly, so I think that's what a lot of people say, and I totally agree. Still got some cleaning up to do when I get home. All the sand, everything. Bad little stove. Still small in the morning. I'm about to head off home because it's starting to become a little bit cool this afternoon now. And thanks for watching. And I hope to catch you again next time. Stay safe and I'll see you.